In this video, I'm gonna talk about the basic stuff, the fundamentals of science. So firstly, we're gonna discuss the metric system. The metric system is a decimal measuring system based on the meter, liter, and gram. The metric system is a system based on 10, so 10 to the power of any value would get you a spot or a prefix on the metric system. The main ones start off with unit, so for example 10 to the power of 0 grams is equal to 1 gram. Then there is kilo, which is 10 to the power of 3, so for example 10 to the power of 3 grams would be 1 kilogram. Then you've got 10 to the power of 2, which is hecto, and 10 to the power of 1, which is deca. On the other side of the spectrum, you've got the negative powers of 10, with the main ones being deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico. These are just prefixes which represent powers of 10. So for example, kilo represents 1000, while pico represents 0.11 zeros followed by 1. So now let's look at some examples. The first one says convert 3.4 kilometers into meters. Because kilo is 10 to the power of 3, your answer will be 3.4 times 10 to the power of 3, which is 3,400 meters. The second example asks us to find 150,000 microliters in liters. Because micro is 10 to the power of minus 6, you move the decimal point 6 places to the left to get 0.15 liters. In the third example, we must convert 13,000 picometers into nanometer. Pico is 10 to the negative 12 and nano is 10 to the negative 9. So the first step is to divide them. Or in simple terms, subtract negative 12 by negative 9. In the end you would get 10 to the power of negative 3. So you multiply 10 to the power of negative 3 by 13,000 to get 13 nanometers. This is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned something. And if you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and most importantly, thanks for watching.